Do you love your baby sister?
Yes.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So right about now, I'm making porridge and let me show you how to make porridge for a weaning, like a mom who's breastfeeding. This is how you do it. First, the water should boil, and then I've already mixed my flour with water, and then I'll add maziwa lala, which is what is it called? It's like fermented milk. Yeah, so this is my flour, and then I'll add it here. So I've finished taking my porridge, and now I want to like take a nap because I feel so tired. My back is kind of aching, and the baby is asleep. Yeah, so I want to encourage someone out there. Whatever you're going through, always remember that the Lord got you. He's going to carry all your burdens. You don't have to carry your burdens. If you're anxious, you have fear, always remember that the Bible says that do not be anxious about anything, but in prayer and supplication, submit your needs to the Lord. So God is going to supply all your needs according to his riches in glory. So you don't have to worry. God is there for you. He's going to protect you. So long as you're working and you're pushing yourself, just remember that everything is going to work out. And yeah, anyone that's going through pain, always remember that your pain will lead you to your purpose. So your pain can break you or it can make you. So you're the one to choose if you're going to dwell in the pain or if you're going to move forward from the pain. Yeah, so I'm just encouraging someone out there. I know as human beings, we go through a lot, but I think my lipstick is almost coming off. So I'm going to remove it. Do you love your baby sister?
Yes.
How was school today?
Good.
Yeah,
Yes.
nice.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed. what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with
So you're cooking for us.
Yes.
Kai, hii inaungua. Yeah, so guys, it's a beautiful night and my hubby is cooking. Yeah, say hi to the people.
Hi guys. I am the chef tonight.
You're always the chef every day. Because of I can't cook, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I've been the chef ever since Shine came
Into the world.
Yes.
Say hi to the people.
Hi guys.
You're doing homework?
Yes, just doing my homework.
The baby wants to feed. Let me go and feed her. I'm sorry. Let's show them what you're cooking. So you're almost
Yes.
okay.
I am cooking. I am cooking kales.
Greens.
The greens.
Yeah. And ugali. This is like a traditional African food, and also it's good for breastfeeding moms, right?
Yes. This is the ugali.
Let me go and feed the baby. Amani.
Yes?
Kitoi. Silas,
Hi.
say hi to the people.
Hi.
Okay, guys, let me feed the baby. Good morning, guys. It's a rainy morning, and I'm here with the baby. And it's a bit dark. The children have gone to school. Yeah. So yesterday I scrubbed my face using rice and potato, and I can see that it's really glowing even in the dark. Oh, okay, yeah. So it's raining, and I want to go back to sleep. Yeah, so that at least I can help the baby sleep too. Yeah, see you later. Crystal is hi. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Say hi, hi.
Come con ako.